defense system.
Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today is the 9th day of the strike by the advocates over here in Ludhiana. They are continuously protesting against the legal aid defense system. We are having with us DBA Ludhiana President Advocate Vipin Sagar with us. Sagar sir, please brief about the entire protest.
Sir, first of all, good afternoon to all. So the thing is, not only Ludhiana courts, but entire Punjab and Haryana advocates are on the strike. It was a joint action committee call in the month of February this year that we have to approach the Supreme Court regarding the LAT system. The LAT system is parallel to what we have earlier, the legal aid defense system.
Right.
So now in earlier cases, what was the reason they had scrapped that we don't know. In earlier cases, there were 50 to 60 lawyers in the courts who are the part of the legal aid system. But now they had make only 4 to 5 advocates as a part of the legal aid defense system.
Okay.
And they had made a drastic changes in the policy also. Earlier, there was a categorized cases were given to the specialized people. Like suppose you are having the experience of 10 to 15 years of contesting heinous crimes. Heinous crimes means where the imprisonment is above the 7 years or 10 years or life terms.
Right.
But now what is going on? 4 or 5 people are covering the cases which cover 3 years imprisonment and up to the life term. So they don't have any, first of all, adequate experience to contest the case. That is a different issue. But the main issue, core issue is that they are directly targeting the life butter and bread of the advocates.
Right.
If you are prosecution is police is arresting the case, prosecution contesting to get them jailed. Now defense will work to get them free. So how is it possible? On the one side, the police are arresting and state is arguing that they should not be, that the police has filed the wrong case. So this is not the case. It is just an eyewash. They just want the disposal. There is nothing type of justice word is not in the file. So disposal is something else.
Right. So it can affect the entire judiciary system. You want to say?
Yes, they had hijacked everything. By this scheme, they want to hijack. At present, they are saying that it is only for the below the 3 years cases, but where the imprisonment is less than 3 years. But the thing is, I am giving you illustration that suppose it's a case of 302 murder case. Supposingly, there are 6 to 7 co-accused are in the case. Out of 7, 4 has engaged good lawyer, practicing and good lawyer, and 3 has engaged LADC. What the advocate do if the LADC advocate will go and prove each and every case of the prosecution, where the competency of the lawyer will go? So it is not beneficial for the society also. Like that way we had grown up, we had only said that there should be a good doctor and good lawyer in a life.
Right.
Any bad out of these two will ruin your life. So this is the same thing. Now people are saying that they are getting the free advocate, but go and see what their conviction rates in, whether there is an acquittal of this case. There is 0 acquittal on their case. There is a conviction either undergone or fine in the form of fine. So there is zero acquittal in the case. So where we are heading towards? So it is not a society. And moreover, if we are there is not even a single categorization how the person can engage this. Earlier in LADC legal aid system, there was some category, but there is nothing. The person is having 5 to 6 cases, criminal cases on his name. He is also entitled to get the legal aid. What for? So what message we are giving to the society?
Right.
So
now what are your demands?
Our demand is just to roll back the scheme, sit with us. We are not against any free legal aid. Rather, we are everybody in court, whatever the percentage is. But we are doing our bit and we are doing free cases for the needy peoples also. We are not against anything, but we want it should be categorized. It should not be like be a freebies.
Right.
So at present, it is a freebie, a form of freebie,
Right.
and you are giving meal in the jail. You are giving advocate to contest the case. So how there will be some change in the society? He will not change.
So, are you having any kind of a talk with the government representatives?
Yes, we have from the last February we are in the talking terms, but now we want some assurance. So there is no assurance that they will do it. Okay, they are listening. They are thinking of the society also, but we are also the part of society. it is not that every time we have the duties. We have the rights also.
Right.
Where will the new advocate would go? So there is no way. On the one hand, we are talking about to give them stipend. That the profession is so much now hectic or so much constrained in the few hands that it is the survival is very difficult right now. On the last, I think in June, there was a writ going on in Sarita Yadav versus Union of India. So in that, Honorable Supreme Court is saying to provide this stipend to the new advocate because it is very difficult for the survival. On the one hand, we are giving them stipend. On the other hand, we are taking their cases also. How they will get the experience? Earlier, it was like we came to the courts. Our seniors give us the file, which are like gambling act and small act cases where it is only file. So, what was the purpose for that? It was not for that the money is very less, but it was the people could get the experience to go before the judges, how to interact with them, how to process. I mean, it was a stepping stone. But if we had taken all these possibilities, then how the people will learn? So, the struggling period, earlier it was 5 to 6 years, now it will cross around 10 to 15 years. And Mark, I will tell you that in the 2.5 years, around 18 to 20% case has been shifted to LADC. And the more drastic is the person in check bounce case is also entitled to get this. Even the ladies having matrimonial disputes are entitled to this. So there is nothing. There is no categorization of this.
As you are on strike for past 9 days, district legal services said they have also organized lok adalats. So how it is affecting the work?
Yeah, it is affecting. Not only 9 days, but if the policy will continue, then it will affect for the lifelong. If the new advocate will not get the work, what will be the effect of this?
Right.
So we are not against any freebies to the, but it should be categorized. It should be not in the hand of 4 to 5 years. It should be around 50 to 60 advocates with specialization.
Right.
Specialization of each and every cases.
And how long this strike will continue?
Sir, this will continue till there is some resolution. It is indefinite, and from 9 days we are on the strike. Today we had decided to go for hunger strike. So I, along with other 5 advocates, will sit on the hunger strike for 1 day. So it will continue.
So he was DBA Ludhiana President Advocate Vipin Sagar. So he mentioned that they are on the indefinite strike while protesting against the legal aid defense system, and they are demanding the rollback of the services. So they mentioned that it is the 9th day of their strike, and from today they are going to observe the hunger strike, where Advocate Vipin Sagar along with the other 5 advocates, they will observe the hunger strike from today. And they said that the strike will continue until any insurance is there from the government and the matter is solved. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.